Hello, good morning. My name is Wisdom Ubo. In my previous video, I did this whereby I used one to divide the number of accounts in which this particular IDs occur. Let's use this for instance. This is a woman. Say if woman should appear once, so it will be one divided by the number of accounts, which is the denominator. So as a percent, I give me one. For n, where the man actually appear 9 times, it should be 1 divided by 9. So it will give us this. And if you multiply this by 9, it should give us 1, which is 0.1111 times multiplied by this. Then it will give us 1. So that was the concept. So for those of us that is not mathematically inclined, we can actually use a different way to approach this. Whereby, let me copy this. I put it here. Then we can use as a unique function. So Excel will do the math for us, and I copy this. I ignore the next argument, and what I want us to see is this argument here. So you can see this is that argument. So the item that appears exactly once. That's not what we actually want. We want every distinct, which is this, false, every distinct item there. So what we put there is either put false or put 0. So once you put 0, you can say it's man and woman that is there. So let's move this formula downwards. Then we can put our unique here. Then our distinct. Let's say no. Our duplicate count here. So what we'll do is it's same man and woman. This is unique. That is true. So I can wrap it up with our account here, and then close the bracket, and you can see the formula here, which is actually the first one is actually the user unique here. This is the first one. Then we will use this one as a bracket. That is it. So what to do is first enter. You see it. This is it. So how many items do we have here? We have like 10. So how do we count the duplicate ones? Which is 10. So this one should be 10 minus 2. So also use the formula too. But let's copy this. Let's start with this. Count here. You count every item here. And close it. This is 10. I want to minus it from here. You can reference this step, but I prefer to just copy this. Copy it. Then come to this place. Then put a minus sign and paste it, which is this. Then we get our duplicate count here. So this one answers this particular one. This is 8 and 2. And this is the formula for this. This is the formula for this. And for this ones, you can see it's this. The formula is this and this, which is actually for duplicate counts. See, this is the formula here. And for unique counts, which is this, you can see the unique count here, which is those items that actually appears using the first argument, which is 0, which is they are exactly once. Yeah, that's what we want to bring for us, and we count it, which is true. So this one particular one, that's this argument 5. So we can also copy this. Then let's paste it here. So you can see it's 5. Automatically it changes. You can see. And yes, so let's just put everything here as man. You see. So we have a duplicate count of 9. We have the unique one as this. And let me just put the formula here. Let me copy it. Then put the hyphen and paste it. Let me just wrap it here. This is it for this. Then same thing for here. For this, then copy it. Hyphen and paste. Then just wrap it up. So this one has to start for this. Let me just put this color. Okay, that is just it. So Thank you for watching. My name is Wisdom Obo.